Hi! In this video, we will show you how to manage the inventory of your products in Store.link. Let's get started. First, open Store.link dashboard. Click on Products. And under Manage, we will click on Open Product Sheet. This will open the product sheet with all your products listed. There are two columns that can help manage your inventory: Stock and Availability. The stock column is where you keep the count of your products. In other words, the product quantity. Let's set the stock value to 100 for this product. You can edit the stock quantity anytime by changing this number. Now, we will place an order on the store as a customer and see if the stock value changes automatically. This is the item that we have changed the stock quantity. Let's select the large size. Let's add 10 items of this product and proceed to cart to place the order. Click Continue. Select a payment method and proceed to checkout. All right, order placed. Back in Google Sheets, you can see the stock value of the product has automatically reduced to 90. There is one more column to discuss. It's called Availability. The Availability column can be used when you want to temporarily pause the sale of a product or hide it from the website without needing to delete the product listing from your product sheet. By default, the availability of a product is set to Show. When you change it to Hide, it will be completely hidden from your store. If you choose to select Out of Stock, the product will be visible, but grayed out in your store. It also shows Out of Stock in the Product Details page. If you have any questions, please visit storelink.help.center